Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to lock the device without using the power button. If your power button is not working properly, then you can use this method. So in this video I will show you two different methods to lock the device without using the power button. The first one using the accessibility shortcut menu. Tap on the menu. So here you can see some options and here you can see the option lock screen. Just tap on this one, the device is locked. Just tap on the menu, accessibility shortcut menu, tap on lock screen. The device is locked. And the next one, SSD ball. Here you can, this is the SSD ball. Tap on the ball. So here you can see the option for the lock the device. Just tap on this one, the device is locked. Using these two methods, you can lock the device without using the power button. So let me show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu and SSD ball in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on the option additional settings. Then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one, tap on accessibility menu, turn on this option. Then accessibility shortcut menu will be enabled. To enable the SSD ball, again go to settings, tap on additional settings, tap on SSD ball, just turn on this option. And the mode of operation, you can select the operation tab menu. So in these two different methods, you can lock the device without using the power button in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.